I'm going to show you guys how to find entry-level jobs. Okay, we're on LinkedIn. I'm either going to do clinical research, but for this purpose, I'm just going to do entry-level clinical research. First job we have, entry-level regulatory project manager. We're looking at the experience. It's right here. It says 1 year of experience preferred, not required. Bachelor's degree is the only thing that's required. We have another opportunity, clinical research associate, no experience required here, just the bachelor's degree. You go down this whole list, 4,633 jobs. You're going to find all the entry-level clinical research opportunities. You're going to find all of them. They don't require any experience, just a bachelor's degree. We have 40 pages of this. And if we get cute and only search clinical research, you can experience by experience level here, 22,000 results. It'll take you a little bit longer to go through this list, but it'll give you an opportunity to see what's available. Junior medical writer, 0 to 2 years of experience. All you need is a bachelor's degree. And there are 22,508 of these jobs available. You can do the same thing on LinkedIn. There are definitely opportunities for people with no experience.